All right, look at that, people. History right there.
Okay.
This will be perfect.
All right, this is a 1961 Impala. It's the only year that you could get an Impala with a post. Otherwise, they're a hard top with just glass in here. And they call this a flat top. It's kind of rare. You don't see them as much as the bubble tops.
Two-door post.
Two-door post. Yeah.
Unreal, dude. It's unbelievable. You watch all that stuff on YouTube? Wait till you see yourself on YouTube. Getting told about a 61 Chevy Impala from my friend who races slot cars, Wayne. And now we're going to look under the hood and he's going to tell us about that. This is fun. Check that out. You could eat off that thing, but he'd kill you.
Yeah. This car was originally a 6-cylinder power glide.
Give me that.
And now it's a 350 turbo 350. Woo. Presents as stock.
Is it a Holly or Carter or what you got?
It's an Edelbrock.
Edelbrock. Oh yeah.
Yep. Original radiator. Original.
What would you recommend to this young man right here if he was going to get himself a collector car? What would you tell him to do?
Get a Trans Am.
Aha. What year?
Pick one.
Pick one.
They're all cool.
Pick one. So, what's special about that red Firebird over there?
That's a Redbird.
That's
special paint, special interior, signature on the side that says Redbird. It's just not a standard Firebird.
And they just put a little bit of a weak motor in it, didn't they?
Yeah.
They put a 305 in it, I do believe.
Yeah, Chevy motor. Yep.
Put a Chevy motor in that thing, a 305. This 69 Nova or 70 Nova over here, 69.
That's a 375 horse, 396.
Yeah, and a guy has had that for 47 years, I think.
Yep.
Unbelievable.
He would drag race up at Marion, Thunder Valley.
If you want to know what's going on around Yankton, Joe.
Yeah.
Talk to Wayne.
Talk to Wayne.
You want to know cars? Talk to Wayne. Yeah. Yeah. And slot cars. Before I leave for this fall, we're going to convince him to have a race at his house. Okay, and this is going to be on YouTube. So we're having a race. He's going to have a race at his house, and we're going to go October 12th. Can you remember that, Wes?
Yeah.
I don't care what he's doing. I don't care what everybody else is doing. You and I are going to go race slot cars.
Okay.
It'll be fun.
Yeah, and I'm telling you, I got the stuff. Since I raced with him, they race different shit I didn't even know they made anymore. I got all the really old stuff. They got the old stuff that's been modernized. It's pretty cool. And then we'll do a YouTube thing on that. All right, we looked at these, so we can go over this one. So now we can go to the end of this row and start down here. So what does that license plate say?
I don't know.
Well, read it.
South Dakota.
What else does it say?
Great fun. Oh, okay.
Oh, this is nice.
No,
Look at that.
not really.
That's when they built crazy cars. Oh, wow.
You call that a good car?
Smell.
What is this?
Everything smells like smoke to me.
Not this won't smell.
It smells like smoke.
Oh, it
What
smells
is
like an
this?
old car, huh? God, you're no fun.
I'm sorry.
You don't even try though.
Mimi.
It smells like old smoke in there.
Look at that. 3 deuces.
I'm sorry. That doesn't smell like me. You don't understand my house. It smells like smoke.
This thing smells like it just come out of the barn.
It smells like old smoke.
Oh, look at this. Hey, come here, man.
Stop it.
Come here.
Like this.
You know what that's called right there? You know what that's called?
No.
Those 3 things? That's called 3 deuces. 3 2-barrel carburetors. So you just learned something.
That's okay.
All right. I want you to pick out, starting on that row there, out of that row right there. Turn and look at that row right there.
What?
Pick out what's Grandpa's favorite car out of those in this row right here.
That one.
No, but guess what? We had a car like that, Mimi and I, when we got married.
Look at the Polaris.
Walk me up to the car you think is my favorite out of these 4. These right here. These 3 right here. I'm following you.
I don't know.
I'll take a good look. Oh,
That one.
well, I shouldn't have laughed, right? You're right. That's a 6-cylinder with 3 deuces. That's really cool.
The only good
No, those are 3 singles.
Hey, the only good thing about this car is the color.
Oh, this thing's awesome.
The color.
Look at the dude in the back seat.
Who is that?
And it's got a drive-in movie theater speaker.
Who is that?
Who's this?
The guy directing cars, he's got a clean.
Everything here is cool, but that engine is, that's kick-ass, man. Whose is this? I had my granddaughter say, come and pick me out my favorite one. She can't be wrong, right? Because I just tell her, well, yeah, that's my favorite one. Very nice. You did a nice job. All right, gotta move. Hey, you got the camera. I'm gonna talk. You face it at the cars. You take the cars. Okay?
I can't see.
Well, you just, wherever you touch it when you need to see, just touch your finger on there, okay? Oh, who's this guy?
A person.
Yeah, is he a boat captain?
No.
He knows this is a YouTube thing.
I'm not a boat captain.
He's not a boat captain. What are you?
I'm just a captain.
Who's that then? Is that the boss?
Belle. That's the boss.
Is that the boss?
She's the belle.
That's the bell.
Yeah.
This is the captain and the bell.
Captain Bell, yep.
For riverboat days.
16, 17, 18. We'll see you at the parade.
Yeah.
10 o'clock on Saturday.
You tell her we're gonna be there, right?
Yes.
Right.
Good.
That's right. Oh, look at this thing. That's like Bonnie and Clyde.
Okay, you hold it.
All right, Mimi's gonna go sit down. You going with? You gonna stay with me or go with her?
Go, you.
Okay, Lonnie, she'll be with me for a little bit then. Look at this one. That's just okay.
It's okay.
What don't you like about it? Do you like all the black, or would you ever have it like a different color or something?
I don't like this color.
You don't like that color. You like the engine? That's pretty cool, I think. What about this truck?
What is that?
This is a Chevrolet.
How is that?
Remember? We talked about that. All right, look at the front.
I thought it had to be gold.
Well, it don't have to be gold, but it's got to be that symbol.
Oh my god.
Yep.
You said it was supposed to be gold.
I know, I blew it. Let's go look at this. Let's show you this one. Let's go look at this Duster Twister. This way. Oh, how you doing, boss?
Good, how are you doing?
I am well. All right.
It's kind of dirty.
Look at this thing. Oh, that's a big block car. Nice, nice. How long you had this thing?
46 years.
How many?
46 years.
Yeah, you heard him. So, I got a YouTube channel. You want to tell me something about it? You okay with it?
I guess.
Yeah, you don't have to tell me your name and that's just, you got a cool car, dude.
I'll talk to you later. 1969 Nova, L78, 375 versus 396, closed ratio 4-speed. Original owner was a Delwyn Myers at Lennox. He went to Vietnam and the car got resold. I don't know they ever came back.
Way cool. I'm a retired vet, so.
Okay, yeah. David Patton in town got it here, I think, in June of '69 when he was just graduated from high school. He sold to a Ron Vogue that was a college student here at Mount Marty College, and I bought it from him in 1978, and I've had it ever since.
Awesome. You bought it the year I graduated high school.
Yeah, I was 21 when I bought it. Had 36,000 miles when I bought it. 52,000 on it now. It's
Oh, wow.
Original paint. I've got the warranty card for it, and I
Holy
went up
smoke.
to Ram Chevrolet where it was sold, and
From
he
Ra-
gave me a
oh,
copy
my
of the
God.
invoice.
See, really?
So I got a copy of the invoice and the warranty card. So I got the documentation and.
Rap Chevrolet is a one I haven't heard the name for a long time.
Yeah, well,
You know, I mean, I grew up in Brandon, South Dakota, and you know the Nova big block cars. This is my granddaughter. So you just tell how this guy, he's got one of the coolest cars out here because this is the real deal,
At least it's
Right?
a good color.
Yeah.
and it's nice.
Kind of.
You tell him hi and tell him thanks. She's a piece of work.
Yeah, 46 years I've
I
had.
love it, man. I love it.
It's been sitting some years. You know,
Well, that's all right.
get out and get going.
You don't find these things.
So what's your YouTube channel?
It's called Ed Antics, all one word. Be about 4 or 5 days, and I'll put this up. I'm gonna put this little car show on. And
You'll have some other stuff on there too, I'm sure.
what's that?
You've got other stuff on there too.
Oh yeah, lots. There's a bunch of different car shows on there from Texas and stuff. And I travel around in the winters once we retired, and just kind of, I love doing this, and I love talking to the car guys because people miss out on, they miss out. They don't know what a real hot rod is. This is a hot rod, you know.
No, it's
I
not.
used to drive this to work when it was 30 below zero. In the winter.
Right? Yeah. Nobody else. Who drives a big block Chevy to work in the below zero weather,
Yeah.
man?
Hey, look, I was just a driver car back then.
Yeah.
Paid
No.
$1,800 for it, and everybody thought it was too much money.
Now you think about what you're getting now.
Yeah, I hate to think about it, but
And-
I couldn't replace it. It'd be too hard to replace it.
Let me hold it.
All right, hang on just a second. All right.
Oh my God.
Thanks. Yes. Check it out on Ed Antics.
Okay, it antics.
Yep.
Okay.
And I actually live in that RV park right across the road
Oh, do you?
from April till November. So we're in spot 322. So yeah,
Yeah,
I was gonna bring I got a Mustang convertible I was gonna bring up here tonight, but got my granddaughter and trying to get her into cars a little bit. So all right, so look at this Wrap Chevrolet. Holy cow. So right here in Yankton, South Dakota, we got this Nova, and oh, we're getting a
Look
little
at the visor.
look at the visor. I'm gonna do this number.
Got Wrap Chevrolet.
Wrap Chevrolet. Holy smokes. So I've been blessed tonight with a very good gentleman to show off this car, and this is the best in the show if you ask me. All original dents, scratches, everything, and this big block power plant. So wow, tune into old Ed Antics and we'll find more cars.